Hello children. Children, do you love animals? Yes. Okay. So today we will talk about farm animals. आपने फार्म देखा है? नहीं देखा? ओके, तो मैम आज आपको फार्म भी दिखाएंगी और उसमें रहने वाले एनिमल्स भी दिखाएंगी, ठीक है? So let's watch.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had some chicks, E-I-E-I-O, with a buck here and a buck there, here a buck, there a buck, everywhere a buck. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Now old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on this farm he had some cows, E-I-E-I-O, with a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Well, old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on this farm he had some pigs, E-I-E-I-O, with a point here and a point there, here a point, there a point, everywhere a point, moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Buck here, buck there, here a buck, there a buck, everywhere a buck. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Well, old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on this farm he had some turkeys, E-I-E-I-O, with a gobble gobble here and a gobble gobble there, here a gobble, there a gobble, everywhere a gobble gobble, oink oink here, oink there, here a oink, there a oink, everywhere a oink, moo moo here, moo moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo moo, buck here, buck there, here a buck, there a buck, everywhere a buck. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Well, old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on this farm he had some sheep, E-I-E-I-O, with a baa here and a baa there, here a baa, there a baa, everywhere a baa, gobble gobble here and a gobble gobble there, and here a gobble, there a gobble, everywhere a gobble gobble, oink here and a oink there, and here a oink, there a oink, everywhere a oink, moo moo here and a moo moo there, and a here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo moo, buck here, buck there, here a buck, there a buck, everywhere a buck. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Old MacDonald have a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Very good children. Now you will repeat after me, okay? Cows, sheep, pigs, chicks, turkeys. These are farm animals, okay? I hope now you understood. Bye-bye.